goes.
So it's double wrap.
Well, it wasn't triple wrap.
Amber,
Yeah.
you may want to watch.
This is just wrapped all the
It's
way
gonna
down.
be
so the
funny.
box is big, isn't it?
That would have taken literally all night.
That would cost a lot of wrapping
It
paper.
only took us an hour and a half to wrap it.
I can't even get a freaking hint because it's in a box.
Put it down, Ivory.
What is this? I'm scared.
Hey,
I don't think you would buy something horrible.
Wait, what's this say?
What?
Under your hand.
What'd you say?
So the cat's gonna scratch her.
I don't.
Your duct tape's crap. You just ripped it like.
It's not even that. It's how she taped it. Because like if you look at it, it's
Dollar
poorly-
General tape.
poorly
Steven
taped.
was the one that did that. Thank you very much.
What does that one say?
You did that one.
What?
If only I were sorry. The previous one said, "You're almost there. If only I were sorry."
Okay, wait, that's you. Right?
Now I actually have to start tearing through it because we'll be here all day if I did that.
Please do not bring
Hey,
Ivory, get out of there.
She's trying to go the same route as the cat.
Right?
That's not how it works,
This is
kid.
better duct tape.
No,
That's
it's
the same duct
tape.
tape.
Then it, I don't know. It leveled up, I guess.
I think it's because that other box was probably dusty.
Yeah, you definitely had a better. You were able to get a better grip on it to shred it.
Ivory, no. What are you doing?
She's trying to get the cat.
Yeah.
Here's your sideshow. You get to see my child
Who
trying to
brought a suitcase?
Me.
Are you spinning it?
No, Brandon always brings extra baggage when he comes places.
It's getting heavier as I go in, so I'm sure it's something.
It's getting heavier. What? It should be the same weight no matter what.
No, it gets heavier as we go
It's
in.
actually gonna be a bit lighter.
Yeah,
No.
it gets denser.
No, it's jigglier when I have it
I was
out.
gonna joke and say it's just a brick.
That would be
There is so much tape wasted
And-
on that.
funny. Here's where like I took over.
Yeah.
Everything you just undid was me.
Phoebe.
Yeah, what's left is me.
This is Zelda dungeon level of wrapping paper.
Nella.
Never.
Nella. tape.
Oh my god.
Where's the layer?
Bibi, run. Run, Bibi.
Okay, we're out of fucking relaxing backwards like I'm an old grandpa. And... Get off my hand.
Just
I'll help you if you need. No.
No, it's fine.
oh, you should have put something in between the two.
I really should have.
I actually got hard Cards Against Humanity. Yay!
After all that work,
You were like, wait, you had been complaining about how you really wanted it forever, and I was
I'm
at
surprised-
Target.
I'm surprised you did. Why would you buy it at Target?
it
Because that's
wasn't
the only place
anywhere
that sells
else.
You could buy it on Amazon.
Game
Brandon.
preserve.
Yeah, but then I have to
You
wait
even
for, like,
cheaper than
shipping.
going to Target!
She finally
Go to the
got
third store.
She got